everyone. So we're back on Zoom and I'm going to teach you a few things about Zoom that is really helpful to know when you are listening to your teacher. So as you can see here, we have 3 videos, which is Miss Armstrong as your teacher, and then you have 2 other students here. Well, you can only see me and I'm a very, very small box, but maybe I have a presentation on here that you want to see. So what you're going to do is not next to the mute button, but next to the 3 little dots right here. You're going to click on the 3 dots and you're going to go to unpin video. I'm sorry, you're going to go to pin video. I had already pinned myself. You're going to go to pin video. And so now you see only me when I'm talking. Now if anybody else talks, you can hear them, but you won't see them. They'll just be up here at the top. Okay, this is going to be what you want to do when your teacher is talking, when they are presenting something, and they might have a shared screen. This allows you to just see their screen. Okay, so let me show you again, and then you can always unpin video. And you can go to gallery view up here to get everybody. Okay. Now, or you can go to speaker view up here and you only see who's talking. But what if Miss Step over here is talking, but Miss Armstrong's actually the one talking? So right now you see on your screen Miss Step is talking, but actually I'm talking. So we want to go to gallery view. We want to hit those 3 dots and we want to pin video. So only your teacher is what you see. Super duper important to pin video. And remember, if we need to get off video but go to Schoology, remember you just minimize your screen and you can pull up your new browser here and you can go to your dashboard and you still see your little Zoom over here because you just minimize. Your Zoom guy goes right here. So you can still see the teacher talking, which is awesome, and then you go to Schoology and you have all your stuff here. So that is really important, and if you ever want to stop having the teacher the only person you see, you go to gallery view and you can see all of your friends. Okay? Alright, that's how you unpin and pin a video.